Hello Chris, hello the team at Sora. I just wanted to say I really admire the work you do. I think you've got an amazing program at Sora.
I was a substitute teacher a couple of years ago, and it was really an interesting experience because you start at the elementary school. Kids are so excited, they're getting into things, they're energetic, they're wanting to learn, they're so curious. And then you go to the other end at the high school. And this isn't true for all the kids, fortunately, but there were so many of the youth that were just so burnt out, so tired, so frustrated, they just didn't want to be there, they just wanted to be done. It was sad. It was a little discouraging to see the change that had taken place from these excited kids to that, and to realize that it doesn't have to be that way. And so that's why I really appreciate what Sora is doing, is that you're fixing things for the learners. So there's so many things I really appreciate about what you guys are doing. Your expeditions, that's what really caught my eye. With your ads there, the expeditions, the building new monsters, and exploring the oceans and the physics of sharks and all these cool things that you do that blend in the real world learning and the way that the world really works. I appreciate that you guys make that integrated approach and make it fun, make it exciting. I also appreciate that you guys give the youth the opportunity to build their own projects, to explore their own interests with guides and with mentors and that support, and help them understand what things they did really well and what things they could improve on. That's another thing I really appreciate, that you don't just stick a kid with the grade that they started out with and bog them down throughout the school year. But you don't do that, and I appreciate that, the opportunity to completely grow and evolve and progress and present themselves at the end of the process with what they've accomplished and who they have become. There's just a lot that I really appreciate about what you do, and I really appreciate the sense of community that you're building with the youth. It's not just one kid sitting alone at his or her desk in front of a computer screen all day, but it's the interaction with each other and with the mentors on a personal level that I think is amazing. I believe I can make a great contribution to your team as a communications associate. I've had about 9 years customer service experience. I'm working with a couple kids at work, sort of an after-school summer program. I really enjoy working with the kids. I'm currently working on a personal blog, as well as a YouTube channel and a Facebook page about education. And I think I would be able to really interact and communicate with the parents, learners, and team members and create great content for you as well. So I would love to have the chance to help Sora schools share your message with the world. And also to show this, I've created a short video about your approach to math. I hope it's helpful. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you have an awesome day. I'll be following up in a few days just to see if you have any questions for me. Thanks.